This is Dale and Dylan's New Year's resolution. This is Dale and Dylan Rambo's New Year's resolution.
Man, I got right on New Year's. Me neither. I'm gonna make a New Year's resolution. Really? That's cool. What is that? It's something to make me stop crushing my eyes and sticking out my tongue like this. Cool, let me try to think cool. Oh, I can't think cool. Can you help me? Sure. Maybe you could stop punching me in the face. Nah. Maybe you can stop banging on my dog. No. Hey, I got it. Maybe I can stop eating chocolate. Nah, we'll think of one later. Let's go to bed.